Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, light green color, orange color, chocolate color, purple color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: circle, pentagon, square, star, oval and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, pentagon, square, star, oval, heart. Now we're going to put the color. Pink color, circle, green color, pentagon, chocolate color, square, orange color, star, purple color, oval, red color, heart, what we learn pink color, circle, green color, pentagon, chocolate color, square, orange color, star, purple color, oval, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.